Physical intelligence has just unveiled a major leap forward in robotics with their new general-purpose robot model, Pi-Zero. This breakthrough has caught the attention of some of the biggest names in tech, with $400 million in funding led by Jeff Bezos, OpenAI, and top firms like Thrive Capital, Lux Capital, Khosla Ventures, and Sequoia Capital. With a valuation now at $2.4 billion, physical intelligence is working to create robots that can perform complex, human-like tasks with unmatched adaptability. We are living through an AI revolution. In recent years, AI has made incredible strides, creating photorealistic images, generating music, and even predicting protein structures. But when it comes to the physical world, human intelligence still dramatically outpaces AI. Tasks like folding laundry or cleaning up a table are surprisingly difficult for robots, requiring levels of dexterity and adaptability that have been out of reach until now. Over the past 8 months, physical intelligence has developed Pi-Zero as a first step toward achieving what they call artificial physical intelligence. Unlike language models, which handle words and phrases, Pi-Zero spans text, images, and physical actions. It learns from 10,000 plus hours of embodied experience in real-world tasks, using a unique training mixture that includes data from 8 different robots. The result? A model that can perform a wide variety of tasks, from folding clothes and packing items to bussing tables and even assembling boxes. Why is this so groundbreaking? Traditional industrial robots are narrow specialists, performing repetitive motions in carefully controlled environments. Even basic tasks like moving an item from one spot to another require extensive programming and customization. Pi-Zero, however, represents a shift towards generalist robot policies, a single model capable of controlling a variety of robots and adapting to diverse tasks with just a bit of additional data. Imagine a world where programming a robot to do something new is as simple as giving it an instruction, and the robot figures out the best way to execute it based on its prior experiences. To achieve this versatility, Pi-Zero builds on internet-scale vision language pre-training. This means it inherits semantic understanding from massive vision language models that were trained on text and images from the web, like GPT-4v and Gemini. But because Pi-Zero needs to produce fine motor actions, physical intelligence developed a novel technique called flow matching, which allows Pi-Zero to output continuous motor commands at a high frequency, up to 50 times per second. This enables it to handle tasks requiring high levels of dexterity, like folding laundry or assembling a cardboard box, something that no prior robot system has demonstrated at this level of complexity. One of the key challenges Pi-Zero tackles is what's known as Moravec's paradox. Tasks that are easy for AI, like playing a game of chess, are often the hardest for robots, while tasks we take for granted, like folding a shirt, are among the most challenging. By combining the strengths of language models with physical embodiment, Pi-Zero learns to perform delicate actions autonomously. In tests, Pi-Zero has been shown to recover gracefully when faced with unexpected changes, such as someone moving items around while it's working. When compared to other models, Pi-Zero consistently outperforms them in a range of tasks. It was benchmarked against models like OpenVLA and Octo, and showed clear advantages. Pi-Zero's generalist capabilities and large training set allowed it to perform multi-stage, complex tasks, while traditional models typically struggled with single-step tasks. This kind of adaptability lays the groundwork for a whole new category of robots that can excel in messy, real-world environments like homes and workplaces. But the development of Pi-Zero is only the beginning. Physical intelligence envisions a future where general-purpose robots are equipped with physical intelligence, able to respond to high-level commands and carry out a wide range of tasks with minimal guidance. This will require not only advancements in AI, but also new hardware designs optimized for this level of dexterity. To this end, physical intelligence is already collaborating with robotics labs and companies to refine hardware designs that can best support Pi-Zero's unique capabilities. So, where do we go from here? Pi-Zero is a foundational step, and the team at Physical Intelligence is pushing forward with more sophisticated training techniques and hardware partnerships. With continued support from leaders like Bezos and OpenAI, They are working towards robots that could one day learn and adapt like humans, bringing unprecedented versatility and automation to sectors like healthcare, logistics, hospitality, and beyond. This funding represents more than just a financial boost. It's a major milestone in the pursuit of creating a generalist robot that doesn't just follow commands but truly understands and adapts to the physical world. Could general-purpose robots become an essential part of our everyday lives? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe for more updates on the incredible advancements in AI and robotics.